Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install GitHub Copilot in Z. So we are now in our Z project. So what we are going to do is head over here to the top right corner where you see this star inline as assist. You also have this at the bottom left corner, agent panel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now click on here at the bottom, or you can click right here. So let's click it the top right corner. So this one, you will see the warning LLM provider is not configured or does not support the configured model. So click on continue, and then from here select GitHub Copilot chat. Okay, so now we will need to sign in. So now click on that button to sign in. Note that you will need basically your GitHub account subscription for Copilot. So know that, make sure that you have that, and yeah, you will then be successfully signed in. So then you will need to put in some uh, basically numbers. You will just approve the connection between Z and GitHub Copilot chat. And yeah, this will be basically pretty much it. Now, as you can see, we are logged in and we can start with new thread if we want. So this is basically it, how you can install GitHub to Z. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next